Hi there, you've just created your company with a corp and you're now wondering how to manage for the opening of your bank account. Well, that's very simple, and in this video we'll show you how to manage for the opening of your bank account. So before we start the process, just take the emails you received with all the incorporation documents. So in the incorporation documents, you have the articles of association, the business registration, and the certificate of incorporation. Afterwards, just go on google.com, look for statrys.com, and then you will end up on the sign up page. Click on the sign up button. Afterwards, you can just create a Statrys account. And once your account is created, you just click on the sign up and then you will have the application form. So here it is for the application form. You need to fill in information regarding the company name, then company phone number. It can be the phone number of the directors of the company, then the registered address of the company, the city, of course, so it should be Hong Kong there. And then the next item is to check whether the business address and the registered address is the same or not. If it's the same, just tick yes. And then the next step is to upload the business registration you get in your email. So that's for the company information. Then we need to fill in information regarding the directors. So depending it's individual or company director. Let's assume it's individual director. So for individual director, just fill in all the information, including the first name, the last name, the nationality of the director, and then afterwards the date of birth of the director. And then we need to get the residential address of the relevant director of the company with the city and the country. And once everything is done, just upload the passport of the director. And if this director is a shareholder, just tick the relevant box, yes or no. Company has several directors, just add additional directors and then you can fill in the information regarding the additional directors. If it's not relevant, you can just remove the director. That's for the directors. Then for the shareholders, same story, you need to fill in information, so individual or company shareholder. If we assume it's a company shareholder, we need to fill in the company name, and then we need to fill in the state of incorporation of the shareholder. And same story, you can add additional shareholder. When you click on additional shareholder, you need to fill in all the information or remove the shareholders if needed. Then we need to move to the general information. So you need to choose the industry in which you're involved in. Then you need to provide a description of your business. Just be careful on that. So for the description of the business, it should be 50 characters minimum. If it's not 50 characters, if it's above 50 characters, you will have a pop-up message, and then you will need to fill in and provide additional information on your business if you want to move forward. Afterwards, you can fill in the website. You can leave it in blank if you don't have any. Then you need to provide an estimated annual revenue, so it's in USD. Then afterwards, you need to provide the payments to be received from the countries where you receive payment from. So you can fill in as many countries as you need. It can be just one country or it can be several countries. You need to fill in the countries where the payments will be made to. Same story, it can be one country or just several countries. Once you've done with the countries, you need to fill in the information regarding the number of payments you expect per month, and then the estimated volume of Forex you are going to do. Then just save the information and you can move to the last step. Last step, you need to confirm your identity. If you are from the company, then just tick the box. If you're the director, then just tick that you're a director. If you're another person, then you need to fill in your information and fill in some additional information on Statrys. the way you know you heard about Statrys, and then just sign the form. The last step would be the signature of the form. Just sign the form and type your name, first name and last name, and then just save. Then click on sending application button, and then you will have a pop-up saying reviewing your application, and then you're just pretty much done with your onboarding.